Welcome everybody to another video. This is going to be a special one because this is like a custom case of diapers. We're going to unbox diapers now. Just kidding. No, this is a custom case of everything that we found. This is mostly my dad, what he found in the last 2 months, and a little bit of what I found. So I'm going to put it all in this one video, right? So let's check it out. So you can see it's packed. It's all organized to where it's all full. The bags are what I just found a few days ago, so we're gonna check those out too. All right. This bag, I got it like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I went hunting with one of my buddies. This was the first one I found, and this was the one that I was really looking forward. Speed Trapper there. This is the one that I was looking for. I'm trying to find more. Really like this one. I'm gonna open it up so you can have it for playtime for my kids and my nephews, right? So, and the next one, this one's really cool because I was looking for it. Other than looking for it, I found it already, but I found it in the new color, 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country. So yeah, that one was pretty cool. Has a tire in the back. Very cool, very cool. And then here's the Dodge in purple with the interior beige or brown. So that one's pretty cool. Dodge Challenger SRT. So let's go with the next finds. This one is the Dollar Tree find. The battery ran out. I didn't get to finish up. So here is what I found in Dollar Tree. Let's get to it. This is mostly just Maisto, but this one was I found it from my dad, Fast and Furious. I already got it. I got the whole set. My buddy Jesse got me the set first, and then I found it in Dollar Tree once again, so I purchased it so I can have an unboxing. And then I found this one for my dad, so I got this an extra one for my dad, so I'm gonna give him this one, the 70 Ford Escort. I love the wheels, pretty nice, and the paint job, pretty cool. And then over here we got all of Maisto. This is what we found from Maisto. Here's a great truck. This is probably a Ford, I think. I want to say Ford. This is a Mustang, if I'm not mistaken. So I kind of got just Mustangs and trucks because that's what I don't have. I think they did a good job with new models. You got different trucks. This one's the red version. I think it's the Ford. And we got over here a Firefighter. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna give these to my son so they can have variation. We got a Corvette. I think it is a Corvette, a blue Corvette. Very nice. It has all the lights on it. That's why I also kind of got it. Here's a black truck. I want to think this is a Dodge. Yes, it's a Dodge. Love Dodge. If I could have a truck, if I would ever purchase one, it would be a Dodge. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, so here is this nice one. I'm assuming this is like a Ford. The old school Ford cars. Really nice. Kind of got it for the look of it. Okay, so over here I got these last two. Another Mustang, now in yellow. I got the red one, now in this one in yellow. Different color variation. And this one for baby Noah. This is trucks. There's some construction going on around my house and around my neighborhood, and there's all these vehicles around, and he loves going and seeing them. So I had to get him some of these for him so he can have it for playtime. Alright, that's the Maisto for right now. That's what I found the other day. My father brought this for the nephews and for his grandkids. My son and his 2 nephews. This is from Tough Gears. It's also from the brand Maisto, partner, sister brand. So this is another one from Tough Gears. Really cool. Purple. Beautiful. Keep it going. Now this one I found it in Target. Got it for the whole decals, the Hot Wheels mechanic. And I got this Impala, really nice vehicle. Kind of got it also for the colors. 62 Nissan Junior. This is also another nice truck from Matchbox. Matchbox is also bringing out new vehicles. Here is the Land Rover Defender. Nice. Some awesome decals. You got the headlights. And submarine. We got a submarine here. Deep Diver. My dad found this one. I already got it. I had it like I bought it 4 times already. One for myself, one for my son, one for my nephew, and the one that I have it sealed. So yeah, now I have 2 sealed. 2015 BMW i3. I'm assuming it's i3. Pretty nice. This is the one that I was talking about. That's a little bit different color than the green. 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country in green. The difference between these colors. This one is the one that they messed up on, and this was the original color. I'm assuming here. It might be the other way around. But I think this one was the one they messed up on, and then they made it into this color. So now I have the 2 variation colors for it. Awesome. If you guys like Matchbox, this is one I would recommend you pick up. They're really sought out for. Oh, here's a Ford GT in green. Really nice.
So when you're done,
Range Rover in black. Now this one's also cool because this one has the decals in the front, the logo, the Range Rover. It has all the temples in the back. So it's really nice. This one's a really cool one. I saw it when they announced it, I guess. Really liked it. I wanted to get it. Now I found like 3 of them. So this is the BMW R1500 R-ATV police version. Really cool. Got that one. Now we got another one. Like I said, I found a couple. Ooh, look at this Matchbox. 2017 Jeep Gladiator. Very cool car, very cool casting. My dad found these 2. Ford F350, and he found 2 of them. Well, he found them in different times, different days. Now we have 2. We have one for Noah, one for my nephew, so that they won't, get in a fight or anything. Something to share. Now let's go for the next one. Now these are the last few ones that we got. Oh, look at this Matchbox NBX moving vans. The first one on top, the orange one. And this says Matchbox right there in huge letters. And I think the back part opens. We're also gonna have this one for an unboxing. Yeah, check that out later on. Check out the channel. Now look at this. This is a really good one that I've been trying to get. Now Matchbox is gonna release a new one. It's a T2 version, but in red, and it has a bunch of decals. It looks really cool. I really want to get that one. Hopefully I can find it on the pegs. But if you guys are Volkswagen fanatics, this is a really good one to get. Travel Trekker, the one on top, really cool. It has a camper on it. Really cool. And then we have another MBX moving van. Now this one in blue. I prefer the orange one because it looks more traditional to the traditional moving vans. But I like them both. Both are good. Oh yeah, we got these. These are all nice. Now I found this one again. The Dodge Sheriff. No, the 2015 Ram 1500. I found this one a while back. Put it on my Instagram. Now my dad found it. Really cool. Now this is the ambulance. He also got it for Noah. The Ford F350 ambulance. My dad found this a while back, so got it for Noah. Really cool. I like the ambulance. He has a rescue squad now. Oh wow! So my dad's first treasure hunt. This is what he found. He came back and he's like, "Hey, I found this one. Doesn't have a number. It looks pretty cool. It has gold on it. I'm like, guess what? This is a treasure hunt. You found your first treasure hunt. So kind of happy. I'm gonna put this away. Probably tag it in the bag and put it. This was my dad's first treasure hunt. You gotta remember. You gotta keep those as memories, man. Flame Tamer. Really cool. Also, my dad picked this one up for Noah and for his cousins. Next to another treasure hunt. So now two more treasure hunts. So since my dad now knows what the treasure hunts are, he found two more. Now he picked them up. He picked up the same one, So Plowed, and then he picked up the new treasure hunt that he found was the Hot Pursuit and the Sheriff Black, also treasure hunt. Nice. We got the Mazda Miata, and we got Fandango. Really cool. Both of them already on unboxed on Instagram for me. I'm gonna probably pass these on to my nephews and niece so that they can have something to play with when they come by. Rescue Duty and Chevy Silverado in black. A lot of people are looking for Silverados down here in South Texas. Yeah, because that's the culture here. We got truck culture. Lamborghini Veneno 1970 Dodge Little Red Express truck. There you got it. Here we got the Hot Wheels High. I have the gold one, and I really wanted this one. Never picked it up. Always see it, but just never picked it up. Always found other ones that are more rare to find. So I picked up those and always left this one behind. But my dad finally picked it up, so now I have it. 60 Plymouth Barracuda in flames. Really cool. I have not seen this one on the pegs myself. My dad picked it up. He says that he found it in Dollar General. Cool. Now the Jaguar. Yeah, now this is really cool. Awesome. Chill Mill. It was already open. Someone already opened it, but in the store they put staples and tape on it, and they put it the wrong way. Someone tried to steal it, and I think it was like 60 some cents, and my dad picked it up. 2015 Chevy Camaro, really cool. I think my brother doesn't have this one, so I'm probably gonna send this one to him if he hasn't found it yet. Maybe check that out. Put the chill here inside. Ooh, El Viento, purple with gray. This is down here for the nephew. 68 El Camino in maroon. Everyone's seen that one. Crate Racer in green. Everyone knows these things move when you push it. It moves the engine. A Batman Arkham Asylum vehicle in green. Custom Datsun in white. Custom Datsun white. And we have the orange one in there somewhere. Next one. Here's a Chevy Blazer 4x4 in green. The colors are okay. Off Duty, the one off of the game, I think. The Race Off and Hot Wheels. Ooh, Lamborghini in red, in tuned version. Pretty cool. We got that one in doubles also. Here we got two of these Camaros in yellow. We got this one in red already, but now we added in yellow, and we got two of them. So I'm probably gonna pass these on to my nephew and my niece, so they can have same ones. Here we got a Ford Mustang convertible in blue. Really cool. I love Mustangs. Probably my favorite car. There's another Datsun in orange. Very awesome. A Batmobile. Batman in gray. This, I think this was not the new one, but new color. It had it in black and red. And then here is the 68 Mustang tuned version. Very cool. Have it in blue. Now we have it in red. 69 Ford Torino Talladega in purple with flames. Very cool. And here is the Tesla Model S Awesome car. 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. From the Screen Time. Very cool. Then we got the Batman, the one that's in red. The Batmobile, the one that's in red and black with red lines. Very cool. And that's it. That is all the cars for today. Look at that. This is all the hauls. This is what we found. What my dad has found. Thank you for watching. Some of these things are some of these castings are gonna go for my nephew, for my son, for me to open, for the collection, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment in the description. I'll read it and I'll comment back. Please like it if you like the video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated, and more videos to come. Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Bye.